Here we come to the freight elevator at the academics building at University of Houston Sugar Land campus in Sugar Land, Texas. This one is thankfully still original, but from what I've heard, this thing is going to eventually get modernized once they have the funds for it. Oh my
Diesel DC!
holy
Diesel DC!
that just okay, that literally gave me okay, I was totally not ready for that. This elevator was sitting down for long, which is why I made that big jolt going up. Hopefully it gets better during the second ride. But this elevator is still original. Yeah, I can see why, because this thing doesn't break down all that often than the passenger does. But I was definitely informed that this elevator could possibly get modernized at some point whenever they have the funds for it. But I'm not very certain, so don't count on it, please. All right, full silent trip, here we go. Well, at least this elevator is still original. But anyways, there it goes. And that's it.